Hello everyone, especially to the great mothers out there. Have you ever felt like so overwhelmed? Even when you barely open your eyes, you're already struggling to answer, what do I have to cook today? Well, we got you. We have created this website called Masak Apa. Masak Apa literally means, what do I have to cook today in English? Just tick all the ingredients that you have and click on search, and we'll give you some suggestions of what to cook. We guarantee that the recipe we displayed in the search results is suitable for you according to the ingredients that you give us. You can also share your recipe for others. Just create an account and log in with that account, and then navigate to submit recipe, and then you will need to fill all the forms provided from the recipe name, origins, image, descriptions, and also ingredients and instructions. And then the submitted recipe will be subject to the administrator approval. The admin have the ability to either approve or reject your submitted recipe, so make sure that you submit a legit recipe. As an administrator, you can manage all the data, including the origins, ingredient origins, and the ingredients. You can view, edit, or delete the ingredients and ingredient categories and also recipes, and you can take action for the submitted recipes. You can either approve or reject the recipes submitted by the users. There it is, Masak Apa.